Hello friends, and once again welcome to bhpsolutions.com. My name is Amit, and today we have another interesting scenario. So I'm going to apply data validation in Dataform using Groovy script. So first we look at the requirement. So I have a requirement from the customer in Excel form. So my customer wanted to validate. Basically, the form was quite big. To make it simple, I keep only two accounts. I have got one account called salaries and another account called other expenses, other compensation benefits. Okay. So business wanted to validate other compensation benefits cannot exceed more than 10% of salary expenses. So if my other compensation expense is more than 10% of salary expenses, then it should notify me, maybe an alert message or the cell color should be changed. This is what customer wanted to do it. So I asked customer to create an Excel template and you know create an Excel template, help me to understand the logic. So this is the expression. The expression return the B5 value, which is basically my salaries. So if salaries, if my other compensation, B5 other compensation is greater than 10% of salaries, then display true or display false. For example, right now the value is 90, the condition is false. 90 is not greater than a 10% of salary expenses. If I make it 110, it becomes true. So this is what we want to apply through Groovy script. This is the logic I'm going to write it. Okay. So there's a data form I created. I'll show you how it works and then we see how to apply the logic. So right now my salary value is 1000 and 10% of 1000 is 100. So if I write less than 100, let's say 90, then this is absolutely fine, no problem, right? I don't get any error message. However, if I put the value other compensation more than 10% of salaries, which is greater than 100, make it 110, then I get an error message. It turned out to be red color, right? And then another error message stating that the condition is the salary tooltips. I said the tooltips. Other compensation cannot exceed 10% of salaries. This is my tooltips I define. Okay. So let's see how to achieve this. So I'm going to write a Groovy script, right? There's one script I already written. I'm going to show it to you how to write from the beginning. Okay. So let's create new rule. Create new rule. Give some rule like salary validation, other compensation validation. This is the new name of my rule. And this rule type is a Groovy type. So once the editor gets open, I'll convert the type as, I'll go to editor and the script type is not calculation script, it's a Groovy script. Okay. So what I want to do it, I like to traverse through the entire data form and check the condition. Groovy script, right? How do I traverse through? So to traverse the form, we discussed in the past, operation dot grade dot dot data cell iterator. I want to browse through the entire form only for a one account. Which account? Only for account 6160. I'll check this account throughout it in the entire form. So I limit my, it is behind the screen, it render the kind of for loop, right? It will check the entire data form for the given account. I like to check each cell, each cell. So the default nature of this expression is like a loop expression. Now then I create an object for data cell object. Give some name. I'm going to give a name called salaries cell. Okay. What is I'm going to do it? It will check my data, 10% of my data. So I use crawl dim operator. What do I like to extract? My salary, which is 5800, the name of my account. I say 5800, name of my account. If this value, so now I get over here salary data. Now I check the condition. If check the condition over here. If 10% of this, if other compensation. The global object name is IT. There's a global object or data. It means it is referring to 6160. If it is greater than 10% of my salary cell, 10%. So I apply expression dot data 10%, 0.1, 10%. If this condition is true, what do you want? First, I display optionally, I display a print message. Okay, print. So that condition true or false, I get to know that I'm going to display print message. What message? Condition is true. It's kind of validation. And what expression I like to apply? I want to make my cell color, background color, some color. So you can use hexadecimal code for cell color. Google it. There are a lot of options available. So I'm going to take it set BG color, set BG color, background color. The same example we discussed in the past. Okay. So hexadecimal code, I already have it. I'm going to copy this hexadecimal code for my screen and put it over here. Some hexadecimal code, correct? So I'll turn the cell color in a certain color, then I display tooltips. Okay. So to display set tooltips, set tooltip, give some message. So I say other compensation element cannot exceed more than 10% of my salary. Exceeds 10% of salaries. Any custom message you can give it, right, when the condition is true. What if condition is false? What would you get? I like to display a print screen. So when I debug this, I get to know condition true or condition is false. Correct. So that's how we can use condition. So my script is ready, then you should validate your script, right, and deploy as it is in the past. So let's validate the script, save, other compensation validation, any syntax error, no error, validate and deploy. I'm going to deploy this. To test this Groovy script, you should associate with Dataform. I already did this in one of my Dataform. I'm going to reassociate with the new Groovy script, the one I created, other compensation under validation, comp other validation. So I use the same Dataform. Go to edit mode. I think it is already in edit mode. Go to business rule. Then I already have one rule. I'm going to remove that rule and check the name of my rule. Because once it is validated, it is visible over here. This is my rule, right? Now mandatory is that the Groovy rule should be run before it gets loaded. Run before it loads. Then only the condition gets checked. It doesn't work after load, right? After save, run before load and after load. I apply two condition. It could have done before load as well, okay, for the sake of testing. Now we test this condition. Condition 1 is true, condition 2 is false. Both condition I check. Okay, that's once again. I should save it. I remove this before load. After load only I keep it. And this is fine. Let's say the condition is true and false. First condition is it is less than 10%, 90. I hit the save button, right? Let's work on load. The rule ran behind the screen. Go to job and check the condition. So application job. So system would have render and message. Condition true and false. Other compensation. Click on completed. Condition is false. It is less than 10%. 10% is 100 and I input 90. So condition is false. Now let me make it more than 100. The condition is true. So once again open my data form. Make condition is true. Now I make 120, which is more than 100, right? I hit the save button. The condition true, right? Turn out to be in red color, some color, and you see there's a tooltips when I move my mouse cursor. So other compensation, January 120. Other compensation exceeds 10% of salary, right? And the same you can check. The rule ran. Uh, you the moment you hit the save button, you get the message. In addition to this, you can also check the log finder application job. Check the log. In the job, there you see condition is true. So we tested in both criteria. When condition is false, it was less than 10. When condition is true, when it was less than 100, when condition was true, false, and more than 100 when condition is true. So our rule ran in both cases. These are both cases, condition true and false. The condition is true, then display tooltips, else display, do not display tooltips. I mean, here it is. Okay. So look at your rule, look at your data form, both together, and that's how you can validate. Finally, check your data form, see this together. So this condition is false. If it is greater than 10%, yes, 10% of 1000 is 100, right? And 120 is greater than, so it become a red color. No red, some orange here, this dark pink color, right? And tooltips. Else the condition is false. So I make it 90, the condition is false. No color applies, nothing will happen, just one message. Right. So that's it. There's one tiny example, Groovy script. In the same fashion, you can apply more advanced example on top of this. So my objective is to give you techniques, and then you can apply more complex expression on top of that. So that's it for today. Should you have more questions, please feel free to reach out to bspsolutions.com. Thank you.